If you're somebody who have lower blood pressure, high blood pressure, and if you're somebody who have given birth and you have not healed completely, if you're a lady who have infection, that's called white, if your blood menstrual cycle doesn't flow, if you have menstrual pain also, then this video is for you. We are going to learn a certain spices that we use daily in our kitchen that maybe you don't know the health benefits of it or why our parents added to soup that they do, so they cook. So we are talking about prekese. So the prekese is the local dialect that we used to call that is in Ghana, but the English name is Adam fruit. Aidan Fruit. So my name is Rebecca Blair and welcome to my YouTube channel. I will ask you to hold on and let's give me 1 minute of your time so that we'll learn and it will help you also. So this is some of the health benefits of Prekese or when you drink Prekese. Number one, lower lower blood pressure. So pregnancy have a compound of health compound that is inside it that help to reduce high blood pressure and also protect your heart. Yes. So if you have a heart problem also, then you have to add daily to pregnancy. It will help your health very well. So blood pressure is to reduce high blood pressure and you also protect your heart also. Number two, postpartum, postpartum healing. So our parents or our mothers that has given birth is helping to cleanse the womb for you and give strength back to you. So if you're a lady that's a woman that you have given birth and you can't find your strength back, I will suggest to you that you should add daily precursor to daily to your food or let it be your tea that we are going to learn how to prepare also. Number three, it improves indigestion. So some people will eat food and they will see their stomach bloating. Uh, Even they cannot eat amounts of the exact amount that they should eat later. When you add precursor to your meal or when you drink precursor, it helps you to digest the food for you, and also it helps you stomach pain. Yes, it helps stomach pain as yesterday. Number four of the benefit. Prekese fight infection. Prekese fight infection. So if a lady that you are fighting with white, you're fighting with fibroid, we are fighting with menstrual pain. Yes, we have some lady they fight with menstrual pain. I don't know, but I haven't experienced menstrual pain because I don't know what because of this that I do every day. So it helped a lot. So I will show you the method that you do so that it will help you. Another benefit that you have is diabetes. If you're somebody who have diabetes, try to take in pregnancy because it will reduce the sugar level that's in your body. Yet it helps to balance that aspect of our health issue in our body, and also it boosts immune system. It's built immune system. It has some compound that it's in it that help to build immune system that especially in cold or in weather time that is rainy season, it helps you so that you will not fall sick anyhow. So let's come to how to prepare it. If you want to prepare prekese tea, you have to drink it in the morning as a tea and in the evening in warm. So you will take one or two pod of the prekese and you cut it into pieces. Boil it to 10 to 15 minutes and after that pour it in your gas. Or optional, you can add ginger or clove to it for another special health benefit to it also. So when you do it like that, let it be warm and drink it. And please don't overuse it because it is natural. It doesn't mean that you should overuse it. It has its limit that you should use it. So 1 to 2 is okay. Don't add it more than it. So this is the tea aspect. When you can add it to your palm soup, light soup, or pepper soup. So this what you have to do. You use one or two pod and cut it into two, or you can add the whole into the soup, and after it, remove it and serve it. Serve the soup and drink it also with rum. So this is some of the things that we can use Prekese to do. Please cautious. If you're pregnant woman, please consult your doctor before taking it. And also, if you're somebody who is on medication, consult your doctor before taking it. Because it's natural, it doesn't mean that you should take it anyhow. I want to all that I can tell you that it has benefit, a lot of benefits. God has given to us that we should use it. So please, let us help so that we reduce the medical aspect of medication that we take. The medical aspect of medication, I didn't say that it's not good, but it also have many implications in our body, in our system. So I think that when you flow with the system of natural, it will happen us a lot. Thank you so much, and I hope that you will do it. Don't listen to it just like that. Go and practice it. And by the time the next time I will come back to our video, bring your testimony under the comment section. And also, if you have any sickness or any health issue that you want any certain part of natural herbs that will help you, then suggest in the comment section. I'll read it and we'll learn about it. I'll bring the video about it to you. Thank you so much. My name is Rebecca Blair. If you find this video useful to you, like, comment, and subscribe to the press the notification button about it so that when we have another video or come to your way. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye. See you in my next video.